Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another slapper for you. Before we get started in today's video, guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and also don't forget to ring the bell. So every time I drop one of these videos, you're going to get notified. But that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let me just first off by saying thank you guys so much for your support recently. It truly does mean a lot to me. So here we go. Right off the jump, you guys are going to notice purple Nike SB box, standard box for this general release, sneaker here. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, Burnt Sunrise, and Vintage Green is what the label is going to read. I went with the size 12 because honestly, I'm torn in Nike SBs of recent. I have been going up half a size as of late because they do fit a little bit snugger for me for some reason. I did not try these ones on yet, so at the time of recording, can't give you my honest opinion. But all of the releases for 2024 SBs that I've picked up, I've gone up half a size and they fit me much better. So I'm assuming this is just going to fit just like those. Now going over to the box, as soon as you open it up, you're going to get this wood grain paper that's going to come standard in all of your Nike SB general releases. And then you're going to get these shoes, man. And these things are actually extremely nice in hand. Sometimes people say that and it is what it is. You get them in hand and you're like, they kind of look like the images anyway. But these don't. These will obviously look like the images, but man, are these things like super, super premium in person. Just the way that they feel in general. The craftsmanship and the quality is immaculate on these things as well. No glue stains literally whatsoever. I mean, they did a phenomenal job with this release. Other thing to note in the box, Nike SB sticker right there, your white standard traditional sticker. That's going to come in all your general release SBs. But man, these things are really nice. Obviously, if you know me, I have been getting to SBs as of recent. However, I did clean out my closet. Haven't been picking up a whole bunch of stuff recently. The few shoes that I am picking up is going to be stuff that I'm hoping to either keep or just make videos on, review them, and get rid of them. That's just kind of where I am right now in my personal life. Trying to save some money and trying to get a townhouse or condo for myself. So that is just something to note when it comes to, the channel as of recent. I know that I've been doing a little bit more of the, sneaker previews and the sneaker overviews of like how releases have gone, so on and so forth. But today we're going to actually get a nice unboxing and review for you. Now going over to the sneaker, ladies and gentlemen, super, super clean. Basically, this shoe is going to be an all-over suede upper, premium suede too. You got that nice transition motion when you're going over to the toe box, over to the side panels. All over this sneaker is going to be some nice premium suede. Even when you get over to the Nike swoosh, which is this subtle green. Vintage green is the color, and that is the perfect way to describe this green color. It's like a nice faded spruce vintage green. It's phenomenal. I don't know how well this camera is going to pick up those details, but it's really nice, almost like an acid wash kind of. It's hard to explain, but really nice premium suede even on that. You're going to get that same pop of green on the Nike stitched over on the back of the heel tab as well. Nice hit right there. And then over on the tongue as well, you're going to get the Nike SB and obviously that Burnt Sunrise patch, but then the Nike SB itself is in that green colorway. Nice padded puffy mesh tongue that's going to be standard feature over in the SBs. Inside you're going to get your Nike Air Zoom unit all the way up in these guys. Let me actually see if I could take out this insole for you so I could do a little bit of a show off. Here we go. Nice thick SB insole. I love SBs for the fact that for me personally, they are comfortable sneakers. Air Zoom unit right here in the heel, as well as your pour-on forefoot up towards the front of your foot. Now, this is a nice thick padded insole. It's going to be very comfortable over a long period of time. It's going to be that vintage green color with your Nike SB and the Air Zoom in that Burnt Sunrise color. Phenomenal insole. Overall, this sneaker is phenomenal. And then the last hit that you're going to get of that green is going to be over on the outsole. Beautiful outsole all over gum bottom. Even gonna get the gum bottom on the midsole, which I think it's cool. It does make that midsole and outsole look like give the appearance that it's like a chunky, fatter, you know, midsole and outsole. But I like it on this particular shoe. I think the colors and the contrast of them work very, very well. And personally, overall, I am just an absolute sucker for a gum bottom. I think it looks fantastic on SBs and just in shoes in general. And the last little hit here is going to be this right here, the vintage green laces that you're going to get included. I know somebody actually requested over on the community notes that I do, and I put like white laces in these things. The only rope white laces that I have is just from the gum, the white gum Nike SBs. Listen, I don't know if these things are going to look better with white. There is no pop of white on this shoe. Honestly, if you guys wanted to, I think the color to go with to get a nice contrast is that vintage green, because it gives a nice pop to the sneaker. I did also get some feedback that you guys want to see me holding the sneaker a little bit more. Now, here's the problem with this. I do the overhead shots. You're going to get nice detailed shots of these things, you know, quality shots of these things. Obviously, I can do the up close and the camera's going to focus and all that good stuff. I know it's not like I have a monitor, so I can't see what you guys are seeing right now. I film off of my iPhone. And this is kind of just what I have to work with right now. I moved the camera a little bit further back than what I normally have it on, so hopefully you guys can see me holding the sneaker a little bit better in today's video. But let me know, guys. I'm also here for you guys, so let me know your suggestions all down below in the comment section. I want to know feedback on my unboxings. Obviously, you know, constructive criticism. I don't want haters coming in here just to post negative stuff, If you have constructive criticism of my actual reviews, let me know all that good stuff, man. Like I said, this is a beginning channel, so you know, the more constructive feedback and the better I can improve these things is going to be overall better for this channel. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these shoes. If you have any other suggestions for me, let it all be known down in the comment section below. And just to wrap up this review here, my overall thoughts and opinions on these things is absolutely clean. I really honestly want to keep these things. I want to rock the heck out of these things. I honestly think this is a perfect fall sneaker. Not so much for the summer. You can obviously wear it in the summer, but a little bit better to wear with some nice neutral colors. Over in the fall, these things are going to be killer, man. With some nice pants, you can wear some nice like khakis. Nice olive color pants would go really good with these. Even like camo cargo pants would look some pretty sick with these things. I am curious to know if I should throw in this vintage green lace, because it would give a nice little pop. I may do that. If I do pop in those other laces, I'm going to throw up a little short feed on the channel so you guys can check that out as well. But yeah, guys, I really dig these things. Nice premium materials. If you're thinking about buying these things and you like Nike SBs in general, I would highly recommend this pair. For a general release as well, flawless execution. You know, like I said, no glue stains, no like mishaps that I have with my personal pair. And I'm digging this color scheme. So if you did enjoy today's video, guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And don't forget to hit that bell, so you're not going to miss another one of these bangers. With all that being said, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Burnt Sunrise Nike SB Dunk Lows, we're out. Peace.